Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm gonna walk you through how to log in Grubhub account on a device or how to create an account in Grubhub app on a device. First thing, you need to make sure that what Grubhub app is useful for. From Grubhub, you can order takeout from your favorite local restaurants, and this has been everyone's favorite chains in today's life. Grubhub makes it easier to choose your next meal with restaurant ratings and reviews. And Grubhub is also very famous in cities like New York City, Chicago, LA, Dallas, Boston, and many more. So to get this feature, you need to watch this video till the very end, and let's get into the video. First thing, you need to open the app Grubhub, and this is the very first homepage of this app Grubhub, and you can see the option sign in at the very below of this page. You need to simply click on that, and here you can see the various options from where you can create your account in this app. You can also create an account with Google, Amazon. You can also continue with Apple ID. Also you can continue with your Facebook ID, or simply you can go to the option email and click your email, and after entering your email you can continue. And this is how you can create your account with these various features which is available in this app. So this is how you can create an account in Grubhub. So there are so many goodies out there, but you obviously deserve the best. So to explore all these features in this app, you need to sign in, and this is how you can sign in or create your account in this app. Thank you, and see you in the next video.